Hi, do you love sparkling wines and champagnes like I do? So why don't you join me for this 1 hour tutor tasting that I'm going to host very soon. You will find all the information below and all the details on how to register. Hi, I'm Isabelle Léchave and I'm a native of Champagne in France, and I always loved sparkling wines. And as a wine sensory scientist and your wine tasting coach, I'm delighted to invite you to join me for these tutor tastings. We will be tasting 3 different sparkling wines. I will give you all the information ahead of time to learn how to taste them, how to describe the flavors, and we will be using different glass shapes. We'll be using the sparkling wine wheel, and at the end of the session you will be more knowledgeable and more confident to describe what you perceive in sparkling wines, and more importantly how to taste them so that you can enjoy. So I look forward to seeing you at the tutor tasting. Cheers!